Gentlemen, Para, I have great pleasure to welcome you to this the 12th annual general meeting of the company. The director's report and the accounts have been with you for some time now, and with your permission, I take them as read. Para, I am sure you have perused the report and the accounts for the last year and found them interesting and satisfactory. As I told you this time last year, the year commenced with a comfortable order book. The flow of orders during the year was even and adequate. This was despite the fact that conditions in market for most of your company's products were extremely competitive. The sales increased by 16%. A notable achievement was that the export increased by 300% and crossed rupees 1 crore mark for the first time. Para, although as you know, you must have noticed from the accounts the volume of sales more than maintained its rate of increase. The increase in profits was less than anticipated. In fact, the increase has been only marginal. The factors responsible for this lower profitability were mainly competitive prices, higher costs of inputs, particularly in the case of air conditioning projects undertaken on certain basis, which involve a large percentage of bought out materials, and last but not least, the unsettled labor conditions. One of their policies was to adopt go slow tactics, resulting in the last few months of the year in lower recovery from your company's plant. In spite of these adverse factors, the company had performed well and has been able to plow back a considerable sum to its resources. I am sure you will appreciate the performance and join me in extending congratulations to the managing director and his team. The current year commenced with a full order book position and with plans for a higher turnover. However, the sales during the first 5 months of this year are only slightly higher than in the corresponding period of the previous year. This is below the target, which is due to partial slowdown by the labor. The development on the labor front in the past few months have been caused serious concern to our management. Your company has always believed in harmonious industry relations and has been taking steps for promoting the interests of the workers. This be borne out of by the fact that since its inception, the management had excellent and cordial relations with the workers, except for the very brief period of the last year. These have now given way to frequent labor troubles. This has been chiefly due to the misguided enthusiasm of workers' leaders for the display of power and their attempts to ignore the discipline with a view to disregarding the authority of the management. The workers have resorted to go slow tactics and occasional violence, calling for disciplinary action from the management. There is a subsisting agreement with the workers valid till next May, and nothing has happened which warranted a disturbance in the company's traditional smooth course of work. The workers have been singularly ill advised in resorting to tactics affecting adversely the company's operations and output. If the present state of affairs continue, I am afraid the current year's working may be affected. Your company, for example, is a medium sized unit, but it's supporting as many as nearly 500 small industries.